If you've been following us, you know that our platform is built for conscious capitalists. Essentially, this means we encourage people to consider the triple bottom line when doing business rather than the traditional bottom line of profits over everything. Triple bottom line, also known as 3BL or TBL, is a business framework that measures success not only by financial profit, but also by social and environmental impact too. Some circles ascribe 3 Ps to this ideology: people, planet, and profit. However you define it, the central idea is to consider more than money when making financial decisions. It's better for all involved. In today's video, we will explain to you the benefits of taking this approach to doing business. While some drawbacks do exist, we believe the benefits outweigh the burdens, so we will continue to advocate for it. Welcome to Money for the Movement, where purpose and profit align. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification so you can be notified every time we release new content. Also, give this video a like if you get value from it. It's how we know that we are giving you what you want. Okay, the first benefit to taking the triple bottom line approach is improved access to capital. Yes, you heard that right. Doing good in the world can actually attract more money to you. Improved access to capital is a significant benefit of the triple bottom line approach. Embracing the principles of sustainability and responsible business practices can make an organization more attractive to investors, as many investors now consider environmental, social, and governance, or ESG factors, when making investment decisions. By integrating the 3BL approach into their operations, companies can demonstrate their commitment to sustainability, ethical conduct, and long-term value creation. Take Unilever, for example, which is a multinational consumer goods company that has made sustainability a core part of its business strategy. In 2019, it secured a £1 billion or €1 billion syndicated revolving credit facility with interest rates linked to its sustainability performance. This sustainability-linked financing structure incentivizes Unilever to meet specific environmental and social targets, which they probably wouldn't have received if they were not taking the business approach that they do. In addition, they have garnered access to other funding sources too, such as green bonds, sustainable funds, and impact investing. Now, that's not bad for a do-gooder. Who says caring about more than profits means you have to be broke? Number 2, increased stakeholder engagement. Increased stakeholder engagement is a significant benefit of the 3BL approach. By using it, organizations can effectively engage with a wide range of stakeholders, including funders, logistics specialists, farmers, and transportation services, amongst others. This engagement fosters open dialogue, builds trust, and promotes collaboration. By involving stakeholders in decision-making processes, businesses gain valuable insights and deeper understanding of their needs and expectations. This leads to the development of more inclusive and responsible strategies that align with each stakeholder's interest. Number 3, improved brand reputation. A TBL approach can tremendously improve a company's brand reputation by demonstrating their commitment to sustainable and responsible practices, leading to increased customer loyalty and positive word of mouth. Consumers are increasingly drawn to businesses that prioritize ethical conduct, social inclusivity, and environmental stewardship. By aligning with the principles of the 3BL approach, organizations can attract and retain loyal customers who value sustainability and social impact. Moreover, a strong brand reputation built on the 3BL approach can lead to increased market share. Overall, in addition to socially conscious investors, it facilitates partnerships with like-minded organizations, creating a virtuous cycle of positive brand perception and sustainable business growth. Number 4, enhanced employee motivation. You had to have known this would be on the list. As you know, conscious capitalism is not for everyone, but for those who it is for, they tend to want to work with organizations that are purpose-driven and value-based. This in turn fosters a sense of meaning and belonging among employees. When employees see that their organization is committed to social responsibility and ethical practices, they are more likely to feel motivated and engaged in their work, which ultimately produces better results. The triple bottom line approach allows employees to connect with a broader purpose beyond financial performance, aligning their personal values with those of the organization. Engaged employees are more likely to be innovative, productive, and committed to the organization's success. They also tend to have higher job satisfaction, lower turnover rates, and become advocates for the company's mission, further enhancing its reputation and overall success. Lastly, a TBL approach can attract top talent who are looking to work for companies that align with their values and are committed to making a positive impact. So, this can definitely be a win-win for all involved. Number 5, adapting to a changing business landscape. Simon Sinek, the business consultant and author, has a book called The Infinite Game, which talks about being in business to be in business. According to him, the goal of business is not to win at a particular metric, but rather to win at staying in business in general, regardless of how you perform quarter after quarter. The logic here is that if you win at staying in business, then you will undoubtedly have to perform well and adapt to changes to do so. We agree with Mr. Sinek. With that said, the 3BL approach can help businesses adapt to changing landscapes by proactively addressing emerging environmental regulations, changing consumer preferences, and societal expectations. This adaptability enables them to stay ahead of the curve, identify new market opportunities, and mitigate potential risks. Moreover, the 3BL approach fosters innovation and encourages businesses to develop innovative solutions and business models that are resilient in the face of disruptions. By continuously monitoring and aligning their strategies with the evolving business landscape, organizations following the 3BL approach can maintain their competitive advantage by seizing emerging opportunities. Number 6, compliance and regulatory risks. While compliance and regulatory risks may seem like challenges, they can actually be turned into benefits through the triple bottom line approach. The 3BL approach helps businesses stay ahead of evolving regulations, ensuring they are in line with legal requirements and industry standards. This not only reduces the risk of penalties and reputational damage, but also enhances the organization's credibility and trustworthiness among stakeholders. By embracing sustainable practices and responsible business conduct, companies can position themselves as leaders in compliance, gaining a competitive edge in an increasingly regulated marketplace. Number 7, improve supply chain resilience. If you don't know what a supply chain is, it is a network of organizations and resources involved in the flow of goods or services from the source of production to the end consumer. Basically, it is everyone involved in the process of bringing your hot Cheetos to the supermarket shelf. For example, such as the farmers who harvest the corn and spices, the warehouses that make, shape, and package the Cheetos, the transportation services that get them to their final destinations, and the distributors who sell them to the public. By taking the 3BL approach, organizations can integrate sustainability practices into the supply chain and reduce vulnerability to disruptions caused by environmental or social issues, such as resource scarcity, natural disasters, or labor disputes. This includes adopting responsible sourcing practices, ensuring ethical labor standards, and promoting environmental sustainability throughout the supply chain. In addition, by diversifying suppliers and engaging in collaborative relationships with them, organizations can create a more robust and agile supply network. This resilience helps mitigate risks, maintain business continuity, and adapt to changing market conditions. Now, you can't beat that with an aluminum bat. Number 8, reduced cost. Believe it or not, the triple bottom line can reduce cost. On the economic front, this practice and its associated technologies, such as energy-efficient processes or supply chain optimization, businesses can lower their operational costs and enhance their overall financial performance. On the social front, as stated earlier, the 3BL approach also emphasizes employee well-being, which can lead to reduced costs associated with absenteeism, turnover, and healthcare expenses. Lastly, on the environmental front, by implementing measures like energy-saving technologies, recycling programs, and sustainable sourcing, organizations can lower costs associated with resource consumption, waste management, and regulatory compliance. Overall, The 3BL approach helps businesses identify cost-saving opportunities across all the dimensions of the triple bottom line, leading to improved financial performance and long-term sustainability. Number 9, access to new markets. If you haven't noticed, there is a growing segment of socially conscious consumers who prioritize businesses that have a positive social impact on society. So, adapting products, services, and marketing strategies to align with these values can attract a new customer base that may have been previously untapped. Additionally, many governments, organizations, and industries have regulations or procurement processes that favor environmentally friendly and socially responsible businesses. By incorporating these principles, businesses can gain access to contracts, partnerships, and markets that value what they value, which ultimately creates new business opportunities. Lastly, but certainly not least, the 3BL approach can lead to the development of new products or services that address societal and environmental challenges. These solutions can capture the interest of forward-thinking consumers and provide a competitive edge in emerging markets. Overall, the triple bottom line approach allows businesses to achieve long-term profitability for all of the reasons that we listed in this video. We believe it is the best approach to take in the 21st century and beyond, and apparently, the consumers do too. According to a recent IBM consumer report, half of consumers are willing to pay a premium for sustainable products, and purpose-driven consumers, or those who choose products and brands based on alignment with their values, represent the largest market segment at 44%. It doesn't take a Harvard-trained economist to know that the triple bottom line approach is the wave of the future. We recommend you get on board now before the boat gets too full. That's our video for today, Money Movers. We hope you enjoyed our content. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to our channel and give this video a like so we can get in front of more viewers. We both know that this information is valuable and necessary for them to see. Thanks in advance. We'll see you next time.